Namaste students, welcome back to maths class. So now today we are going to study the vertically opposite angles. Okay, so before going for vertically opposite angles, let us take some problems on complementary angles. Okay, so if the question is like this, find the complementary angle. Find the complementary angle of 37 degree. Yes. How to find the complementary angle of 37 degree? We know that complementary angles are the pair of angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree. So complementary it is 90 degree and supplementary it is 180 degree. So the question is find the complementary. Here we don't know what is the complementary angle of 37 degree. We have to find that. Okay. Here when we don't know its complementary angle, what we have to take? The unknown value we have to consider it as a variable, isn't it? So how to get the answer? Here let the complementary angle of 37 degree be x. Why I have considered it as x? Because I don't know what is the complementary angle of 37 degree. But it is easy that what we have to do? We have to subtract 37 from 90. Then directly we are going to get. If it is for 2 marks, yes, then we have to solve like this. Yes. Therefore, let the complementary angle of 37 degree be x. Then what it indicates is x plus 37 degree is equals to 90 degree. Why x plus 37 is equals to 90 degree? Because the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then those are called as complementary angles, isn't it? Now we have to find the value of x. Therefore, x is equals to 37 is there. Now what we have to do? We have to transpose 37 to its right side. Yes. So if we transpose it to right side, the plus 37 becomes minus 37. That is 90 minus 37. Yes. So x is equals to what is 90 minus 37? It is 3. Yes. 9 minus 4? It is 5. So therefore x is equals to 53. How to verify? 7 3 10, 5 3 8 plus 1 9 90. Therefore the complementary angle of 37 degree is what? It is 53. Therefore complementary angle of 37 degree is 53 degree. So like this you have to solve. This is the conclusion. Okay. I think you all got this. Like this, many questions are there. Like this, many questions are there in your exercise. You have to solve like this. If it is asked you to find, then only you have to do like this. If it is, what is the measure of complementary angle of 37 degree? What is the measure? So directly you can answer it is 53. That is 90 minus 37 is 53. Directly you can write. Yes. Same questions will be asked for find the supplementary angle of 110 degree. Find the supplementary angle of 90 degree. Yes, the same way let the supplementary angle of 90 degree be x. Then x plus 90 is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 minus 90. So x is equals to 90 degree is the supplementary angle of what? 90 degree. Got it? Okay. So now let us move with the vertically opposite angles. Yes. So what is that? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. The name itself says that these are vertically opposite angles. Yes. Vertically opposite angles. Angles means those are maybe 2 or more than 2, isn't it? We are learning the pair of angles. as O and I want to take this as A. Yes. L and M are intersecting each other. Yes, they are crossing or intersecting. Yes, they are intersecting each other at point O. PQ and RS are intersecting at point A. Yes, we'll take the lines separately, we'll take the figures separately. So in figure 1, we see that line L and M are intersecting at point O. Therefore, here we see there are 4 angles formed. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. This is 4, isn't it? The 4 angles are formed here. What we call these angles? These are, if I consider this as 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Do you see? 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. 4 and 2 are again vertically opposite angles. Right? See, you may say that 4 and 2 are horizontally opposite angles. Yes? Turn it again, they will become vertically opposite angles. 1 and 3 are vertically opposite and one more pair is what? 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. Now, in this figure, here also how many angles are there? 4 angles are there. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1 and 3 are vertically opposite and another pair is 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. Now, how the vertically opposite angles will be? Here, if you do the activity, how to do the activity? Take 2 pencils or pens, tie them with the rubber. Yes, take 2 pencils or 2 pens, tie them. Just tie them here and just turn them. You are going to see that the 4 angles are formed, isn't it? Then trace them on the paper. Yes, just trace them and keep them on the tracing paper. Then just rotate them. What you are going to get? 1 overlaps on 3 and 2 overlaps on 4. So it is clear that when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal to one another. That is what? 1 is equals to 3 and 2 is equals to 4. In this figure, so if you observe, you see that 1 is similar to 3 and 2 is similar to 4. Is 1 and 4 are equal? Just observe. Are 1 and 4 are equal? No, they are not. Are 2 and 3 are equal? No, they are also not. So which two angles are equal? 1 and 3 are equal, 2 and 4 are equal. Here also same, 1 equal to 3 and 2 equal to 4. Got it? Then what do you call this point O and A? Two lines are intersecting at a point. That is the common point they are intersecting. The point is called as point of intersection. It is called as point of intersection. When two lines meet at a common point, yes, the point is called as the point of intersection. Or what definition you can give? The point of intersection is a point where the two lines intersect. Two lines intersecting, so this is the common point. Got it? So here what we conclude? When two lines intersect, when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. What is the meaning of so formed? So when two lines are intersecting, the vertically opposite angles those forms vertically opposite angles. Which are those? Yes, do you remember? Yes, scissor. Scissor? Yes. So if you see the scissor, yes, it will be there. Yes. So in scissor, you can see it's somewhat like this. The vertically opposite angles here will be there. These two angles are equal and these two are equal. Yes. Some roads will be there. They are crossing each other. The vertically opposite angles will be equal. Isn't it? Okay. So now let us go for the next one. Yes. So after this vertically opposite angles, exercise 5.1 is there that you have to solve in your favor. If you have any doubt, you can call me and ask me. Okay? Yes. Now let us take an example. Yes. Let us take a problem. In figure, identify. So the figure is as follows. What we have to identify? We have to identify 5 pair of adjacent angles. 5 pair of adjacent angles. I told you what are the adjacent angles, isn't it? Then 3 linear pairs. 3 linear pairs. Then 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. You have learned adjacent angles, then linear pair of angles, then vertically opposite angles. All these are seen in this. So if you observe the figure carefully, you are going to get the adjacent, linear and vertically opposite angles. Let us find them one by one. 5 pair of adjacent angles. Yes, what are adjacent angles? The clear picture should come in front of you. The adjacent angles are the pair of angles. Those are pair, means 2 angles which have a common vertex and a common arc that separates the given angle. Yes. So 5 pairs of adjacent angles. 5 pairs of adjacent. See, AOE, EOC. Are these adjacent? Yes, of course. AOE, EOC. So one pair it is. Okay. Then EOC, COB. 2 pairs. Then COB, BOD. Right? BOD, DOA. Yes? DOA, AOE. Are these adjacent? Now one more left. What is that? EOB. See, EOB, BOD. Are these adjacent? Yes, let us write, then you will understand. 5 pairs they ask. So what you can write? Start from 1 to 5. So if you are taking once AOE, EOC, then your eye goes on BOD, DOA. So you are missing some angles here. Start from one side and come clockwise or anti-clockwise, however you want. So you are not going to miss any angle. Get it? Okay. So angle AOE, AOE. Yes. Then AOE, EOC, EOC. Yes, it is 1 pair, 5 pair we have done. Yes. Then EOC. Yes, let us write them in bracket. Angle EOC, comma EOC, COB, COB. Then COB, angle COB, BOD, angle BOD. Right? So 3 over, then BOD, angle BOD, BOD. Next one is DOA, DOA. 4 over, 1 more. BOD, DOA. Yes, then DOA, 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 then AOE, AOE. See, here B, EOB, BOD, BOD. Yes, so this can be deleted. Getting it? Yes. So 5 over. Next, 3 linear pairs. 3 linear pairs. Which are those 3 linear pairs? See here. Here one pair is there. AOC, COB. Linear pair means it should be a straight line, supplementary angles. Then what you are going to get? BOD, DOA. Just now what we wrote for adjacent angles. So this just erase. Getting? Okay. So one pair and this is second pair. And one more. See, this is one linear pair. And one more is this we are going to do. Yes? And one more. Is there anything? Any angle left here? Is there any linear pair left? Yes, of course. See here. This is one more linear. Straight line we are stitching. We got 3. Yes? Let us try. 3 linear pairs. AOC angle AOC, then COB, COB. This is one pair. One more is what? BOD, DOA, BOD, DOA. One more and one more pair. It is, yes, of course. Don't write COD. It's a straight line, but pair we have to write COA, AOD or DOA and AOC. Yes, so let me write. It is COA, then AOD, AOD. Yes, see, I've written them separately because those are the pairs. You have to write them as a pair only. See the difference. Getting it? Okay. Or you can write AOC and COB, then comma BOD and DOA, COA and AOD also. Okay. Yes. Now let us take one more problem from your exercise. That is, in the adjacent figure, the figure is as follows. In the adjacent figure means what? That figure, not the adjacent angles. In the adjacent figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2C. Angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Are these two angles adjacent? See, if they are adjacent, what they should have? They should have a common vertex and the common arm that separates the given angle. So 1 and 2, are these looking like adjacent? Yes, of course, those are adjacent because the common vertex is O and the common arm is OC and the two angles are 1 and 2. Yes, this OC is separating AOE into two angles. Yes, therefore what we are going to write is 1 adjacent to angle 2. Yes, those are adjacent. Only this much. Is AOC adjacent to AOE? AOC adjacent to AOE. See, this question is different, this question is different. You may think that both the questions are same. No. One is what? AOC and 2 is COE. So which two angles are adjacent? AOC and COE are adjacent. But the question is AOC and AOE are adjacent? AOC and AOE are adjacent. That angle 2 is not there. Therefore, is this correct? Is AOC adjacent to AOE? No, these are not. Why these are not adjacent angles? Why these are not adjacent angles? Because the common arm OC, what we are saying, it is not dividing AOE in second person. Then third one is, do COE and EOD form a linear pair? COE and EOD Let me write. This angle phi is equals to angle 2 plus angle 3, or because both are same only, you are mentioning the name of the angle. Yes? Or angle phi is equals to angle AOD, that is equals to what? COB. COB. Yes. So this question is from your exercise. Go through with the exercise problems. Yes. Let us discuss other problems in the next class. Thank you.